So children, after this bill is been approved by both the houses, it is sent to the president for his or her consent. Because unless and until president give its consent, it cannot become a law. That's why I told you previously also that the real power is vested in the hands of Prime Minister. But here all the procedures takes place, but when it comes to the point of bill, when it becomes a law, president's consent is very much essential. That's why he is the head of the state. So once the consent is given by the president, it becomes a law. So this is all about the legislative powers of Union Parliament. So let come point wise, because in question when it comes, individual question is also there, that what is the legislative power of Union Parliament. Let me tell you a point wise. This will be helping you to write the answers. Where first point is Parliament is the highest lawmaking body, right? Now second is the making of a law. The making of law is done by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill. Mean, if any bill have to convert it into a law, a legislative proposal is very essential, and where this proposal will take place in either of the two houses of the parliament. But here you will write except money bill, right? After that, approvals, third point you will write that approval of both the houses is very much essential to pass a bill and to become it a law. Fourth point you will write that if there is a disagreement between the two houses, that is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, in case of ordinary bill, then a joint meeting of both the houses will take place by the speaker, and in this joint meeting a majority vote will be counted, and in this way the bill will be approved by the both houses. And the last point you will write, then after the approval it is sent to the president for its consent to become a law. You can write in own words. Don't copy the same sentence from the book. Write in your own words so that the answers become short, and if you write in your own words, then it will be easy for you to write. If you use your own language, that will be very easy. You don't have to mug out the answer. You don't have to just wrote it out. Means you don't have to learn each and every line. You won't become a rote learner. Here, by your language skill, you can make your own answers. So this is the legislative power of Union Parliament, which is very important for to become a law. So children, you will go through this topic, and in my next session, when I will continue this control over executive and financial power, after that I will give you short questions on these topics. Thank you, children.